Hello, today.
Text me that. Text me that.
Our foot not good. Okay. Yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. Now see a Dex Media, you see it. Yeah, I see Wifey there again.
Hello.
She's not shy this time, you know.
Yeah.
I will link up with Akeem. So you know, so that vlog yeah, go mad. You don't want to miss that one, yeah. And if you don't subscribe yet, remember so you to click that bell there and subscribe. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So we're at Portland town right now. On our way to the taxi port to go to Boston. Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. After the rain, after the whole thing.
So this is beautiful Port Antonio. Yeah, so as you can see, we'll link up with Akeem now. You know, see Akeem over there. So. Akeem there, fine.
Go.
Yeah, guys, so right now we're on where we are at Boston. You know, it's Boston famous jerk chicken and whole heap of other things. So you know, so the flag is a man. Yeah, we're on a trip. It's done hot over here today. So guys, we finally made it to Boston, and it. Yeah. Actually, the right is going to be.
Hello, today I am in Boston Church Center. My second time here. Last time was my first day.
Yeah, and this is your second time.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna see what's going on in Boston. Go on again. Go on now. Go on. Hey, so you're gonna eat some nice jerk chicken.
Today's Friday.
Yeah, guys, what's enough? We finally made it to Boston. Yeah, that's what we can see. And your name is? Yeah. Yeah, so you're still at work?
Yeah.
Alright.
Pork and chicken, fish, lobster,
Yeah.
soup, fried and roast breast.
So say general over this thing, we must taste and buy. Alright.
I want you to give it a bit of sauce with it. Sorry.
Yeah. What it tastes, Rosan? It's nice? It's good? Taste. Maybe the fat. Good? Good?
Yummy.
You like it? Guys, so me, I gotta take a bite now and see what's going on, right? Good. Yeah, man, it's really good. Yeah, man, it's good. Oh, you taste Hakim? Bad, huh? Bad, man. Bad, yeah, bad.
Four teeth.
This
You
time.
like to know, man? Four
Yeah.
teeth, man.
Yeah, guys, so this is the way to the dining. Yeah, here in Boston. Mm.
We're gonna bring some more food, man.
All right. You might bring some more, yeah.
Chicken served like that, right? So you can get a breast one, or you can get a leg one.
Yeah,
You want a leg and thigh? You want a leg and thigh?
yeah. Yeah, the soup is good, but it's kind of cold though. Yeah, I prefer when the soup is hot.
Right. Three leg and thigh. What's the one leg and thigh? This is the one again. No, stop, man, no. Give me a kiss. Leg and thigh, leg and thigh, leg and thigh. Festival serving. Who's the one with that?
No one she love pepper.
That good? One pepper, 2 dozen?
No, sir. More the ketchup.
You no problem? You no problem? Make sure you turn the ketchup on later.
All right. Yeah, man. Really good. This is jelly water. This is the coconut water. Refreshing. Yeah, people. So right now we're about to leave and go to a different spot. So you know, see how mad things. So keep it locked, see young people. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, good?
Guys, my belly is so full.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Can't go walk no more.
You can't even walk as you're full up. You're well full.
I
Whoa.
don't know why I'm still drinking soda.
Whoa. Alright, foot now good. Okay. What you say, foot now feet well?
Yeah, damn it!
Whoa. Yeah, guys, so we're approaching Greytown now. So we're gonna show now how I go.
almost dirty the garage.
Yeah.
All the tables and chairs here are made from trees from this property. So instead of cutting them up, throwing them away, we decide to carve them out. This table is known as the elephant table. If you go to the front, you will see the carving of the elephant.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, right there, foot.
Okay, right here. Yeah. Real. Yeah.
And you can see that that's the chair is shaped out of your hands. What number is that?
What number is this, Akeem? What number is that, Akeem?
A tree?
Is that 3? Yeah. Is that a 6?
6. Oh.
Oh, no, it's not. 6. Yeah, we're coming. Yeah, let's give it a minute.
Along the bridge right here, we have our Sierra's bar. Sierra from the Bible.
Sierra?
Bar.
Where?
Over there?
Yeah, across the bridge.
Wow.
Up here is Sierra's bar. As you can see, we're the
Sierra
bar.
bar. So African vibes. I realized that even the bathroom when they used the other day. I realized, man, yeah.
And most of our rules, the names are either a tribe in Africa or in
Wow. So if somebody really wanted to go to Africa, this is the best place. Yeah, this is coming like Africa for real, man. Yeah. That's right. Africa, yeah. African vibes. Yeah.
Up here as well, we do a live entertainment. It's the drums. We do a live entertainment, traditional dancing of African from.
What I realized too, we don't really lock up your place. Like, we don't know. Yeah, we don't out in the nature.
As the name says,
Him say, would I love the place, and Akeem say, would I live here? He say, like nature. You love nature, Akeem? Yeah. Natural vibes, yeah.
So, a little history of Great Huts. Great Huts started with actual tents until we build huts coming along, and then we rent up to our AC units that's over by Africana.
Okay, that's.
But the rooms in Africana, the names are Yoruba, Mandinka, Ibibio, and Bibo. Those are all tribes and languages in Africa.
Okay.
So although it's an AC unit, they're all AC units, but they are developed in African design. African sheep, the bathrooms is you're inside Africa, or you're outside in Africa.
Yeah.
So the bathroom set.
Okay.
So then we get a settings of our breakfast cutleries, so you can have an idea of what we use here.
Yeah. Okay.
So these are our breakfast settings, knife, fork, and spoon. They're made from coconut shell. So people actually eat with the knife, the fork, and the spoon.
Wow.
Okay. It's made from
I read African
coconut
vibes.
natural.
shell.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
This is spoon.
Yeah.
The fork right here. This is a knife. Wow, fantastic.
And all our napkins are in African as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice one.
Real African vibes.
Yeah, real African vibes.
If I can't use them, then I use the Ankara.
Wow.
Just kidding.
So want to have African breakfast?
We have
Really?
traditional Jamaican breakfast.
Yeah.
Strictly African food. So every now and then we have something out here. But we bring the traditional African street food like yellow rice and all those things.
I think this is the only hotel in Jamaica like this.
We're not a hotel, we're a resort.
So is it the only? I'm not sure.
We are the only.
Yes. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Nature.
Africa and Earth history.
Okay. Whoa.
They're also part of the Turkish sanctuary.
Yeah.
This Turkish sanctuary
But these things are what gods? Cause there are people that worship these things. Okay. Wow. From Africa. Yeah. Wow. great
You
hut.
can zoom into that sign.
Yes.
Great huts.
Yeah. That's this sign right here.
You will see her.
Yeah, for real. Whoa. Yeah, it's the official logo. Mm.
So it's the sun.
Okay. Yeah, man, really like the place.
Very nice.
Yeah.
We operate just like every other hotel or resort. Like, you know, we keep weddings, anniversaries, birthday parties, anything you can wish, we provide.
Okay.
And if you don't eat this or you don't eat that, we
Yeah.
also provide, because we have vegan menus, we have gluten-free food, we have everything that you can think of.
Okay.
So you're well covered. Even if you don't eat garlic, we have food that we
Enough.
without garlic.
Okay, nice. It's a nice vibe, man.
We're here to cook food for you. Come on a Saturday night, because Saturday night we get the chicken.
I say every Friday night don't have live entertainment.
Saturday night.
Saturday night, okay. Wow.
Sometimes we have to do some dog club, but that's most
Schedule. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, so it's a nice place.
It's a nice place, man. I want to keep the place clean, so yeah. I love that. yeah.
See the people every Saturday night. You can come right here at Great Huts. Get some good vibes. You understand? Real African culture.
Yeah, guys, so I don't know, so with the Great Hut same way. And this is your boy Dex B there, is it? Yeah. And as you can see, the place sell off, the place sweet. If you don't want the African vibes, Great Hut at the place so for there. You understand? The nice African vibes there. If you don't want to go Africa, and if you don't love Africa, them vibes, if you love Jamaica culture, you see it with history. That's at the right place going forward. You understand? Yeah, man, the vibes up. Turn up, man. Everything just natural. Nature and everything. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Because a whole heap of people realize that watch the video, but when they not subscribe. I want to subscribe. Man, look for to subscribe. Yeah, man. Peace out.